On the modern battlefield, victory isn't always decided by the most expensive weapons. Sometimes it's the opposite. A simple drone, costing only tens of thousands of dollars, can force billion-dollar air defense systems to stay on constant alert. This is the phenomenon now capturing global attention: Iran's Shahed 136 drone. This small weapon has returned to the spotlight after being used in a series of retaliatory strikes targeting U.S. assets in Gulf states. Ironically, to take down a single low-cost drone, air defense systems often have to launch interceptor missiles worth millions of dollars. The Shahed 136 is not just a reconnaissance drone. It is a kamikaze drone, an unmanned aircraft designed to crash directly into its target and detonate upon impact. Manufactured by Heza, it has been deployed by Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, since 2021. In a short time, it evolved from a relatively modest military project into one of the most talked-about weapons in modern warfare. And from here, a new era of drone warfare begins to take shape, one that is reshaping the very rules of modern combat. At first glance, the Shahed 136 appears simple. It measures around 3.5 meters in length, with a distinctive delta-wing design that makes it easily recognizable. It carries a warhead weighing between 20 to 40 kilograms and can strike targets up to approximately 2,500 kilometers away. Its speed, about 185 kilometers per hour, is not particularly fast compared to modern fighter jets. Yet behind this simplicity lies a single purpose: to hit its target in a way that is difficult to stop. When launched, the Shahed 136 doesn't fly high like conventional aircraft. Instead, it cruises low, just 20 to 30 meters above the ground. At that altitude, many air defense radars struggle to detect it. This low flight profile makes early detection more difficult in complex terrain and radar clutter, depending on air defense capability. The drone moves forward in near silence, closing in on its target. And by the time it finally appears on radar, it is often already too late. Within seconds, it dives sharply toward its objective. What truly makes this drone dangerous is not just how it flies, but how it is used. Iran often deploys the Shahed 136 in large numbers simultaneously, a tactic known as a swarm attack. Dozens, even hundreds of drones can be launched toward a single target area at nearly the same time. Air defense systems are then forced to respond rapidly, firing interceptor missiles one after another. This is where asymmetric warfare becomes strikingly clear. Each interceptor missile can cost anywhere from $500,000 to $4 million. Meanwhile, a single Shahed 136 is estimated to cost only around $35,000. In other words, stopping one inexpensive drone can require spending tens of times more in defense. But here's the real question: how long can any nation sustain a defense strategy that costs far more than the threat itself? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Verified footage reported by the New York Times shows Shahed 136 drones striking targets in Bahrain, Kuwait, and the United Arab Emirates during recent waves of attacks. In the Ukraine conflict, similar swarm tactics have forced air defense systems to expend costly munitions to destroy targets that are far cheaper in comparison. The Shahed 136 may not be the most advanced weapon in the world, but it reveals a new reality in modern warfare. Smart strategy can outweigh expensive technology. With its low cost, swarm deployment, and ability to slip under radar, this drone has reshaped how many nations view the future of air defense. And now, a new question emerges. If low-cost weapons can overwhelm billion-dollar defenses, how long can even the most advanced military systems keep up? Share your thoughts in the comments below.